My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2015 Nissan Qashqai. This vehicle has done just under 46,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights, and a keyless ignition. On the screen, we have navigation as a feature, as well as traffic messages, radio, telephone and Bluetooth, and audio. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. We also have heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.